Hey everyone, RJ here with CV Tech, and today's video is an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy J3 Achieve. This is a new phone on Boost Mobile. So today I'm going to unbox it, give you some specs, and give you just a brief look around the phone. So let's go ahead and look at some of the specs. You got a 5-inch touchscreen display, test talk time up to 19 hours, 16 gigabytes of ROM, 2 gigabytes of RAM, and a 1.3 gigahertz octa-core processor. The back gives you some specs as well. 5-inch display, 2600 milliamp hour battery with talk time up to 19 hours, 8 megapixel main camera with a 5 megapixel front facing camera, 16 gigabytes of ROM, 2 gigabytes of RAM, 4G LTE Plus with 2x20 carrier aggregation and HPUE, and a 1.3 gigahertz octa-core processor. So let's go ahead and try to open up this really annoying back flip here. And to save time, let's just go ahead and here is the box inside of the box. So really nice looking box here. Galaxy J3 Achieve. On the back here just shows the contents, the Galaxy J3 Achieve, wall USB charger, and terms and conditions. So let's go ahead, open this up here, and on top right there, of course, is the device. So go ahead and pull that out to the side. Look at the J3 Achieve terms and conditions. Got the battery here, really nice. Got your standard Samsung wall charger here. No fast charge, just your typical wall adapter, as well as your micro USB charging cable there. So I'll go ahead and put everything away, and we will look at the device. So the J3 Achieve is now in hand, and I gotta say it does have a nice look to it. Got this plastic all the way around it. So let's go ahead here and remove all the plastic that is surrounding the phone here, just like that, and it removes very easily. Now we'll take a look here on the phone. On the front there, of course, is your receiver, front-facing camera, your 5-inch display. You have your recents button there with your home button. That is not a fingerprint scanner, nothing like that, as well as your back button on the bottom. You have a 3.5 millimeter headset jack, micro USB charging port, and microphone. On the left, you do have the spaced volume rocker, really nice there. On top is your secondary mic. On the right, of course, is your power button and your side mounted speaker. On the back here, I like the way they've done the camera here on this one, the flash, the camera, with this little look right here, the Samsung branding and all of that. Let's go ahead and get the battery installed. So of course the battery is 2600 milliamp hour, and up here is your nano SIM card slot, as well as your micro SD card slot there. Let's go ahead here and put on the back cover, get that all snapped into place and all of that goodness there, and we'll go ahead and give this phone its first boot up. So we got Samsung Galaxy J3 Achieve, secured by Knox, powered by Android. So yeah, let me get this phone here all set up and ready to go, and I will come back when it's finished. Okay everyone, so we're set up now and ready to go. Now, looking over the phone here, there's really not that much difference between the 2017 J3 Emerge. I mean, really the speaker placement's the same, power is the same, volume rocker is the same. The bottom there with the recents, home, and back button, same clicky button, the same display, 720p. Everything is pretty much the same except for the way the camera is designed, in the color between the J3 Emerge being the silver grayish looking from the black looking here. But anyway, we're all set up here. Like I said, there is no fingerprint scanner, nothing like that. But the screen does look really good. A lot of Samsung screens do look. Now, the phone does seem to be reasonably smooth here at first startup. If you swipe this way here, you do get Bixby, of course. No internet right now, so yeah. Going to look first into the phone dialer just to see what we have going on in here. So it's a typical phone dialer here. Nothing too special. Going to the messaging app here to see what kind of keyboard we are running here on this device. And it looks like we have, of course, just your standard keyboard here. Let's go ahead and try to get it pulled up here. And yes, up top here are your emojis as well. So there is plenty to choose from. You can also, of course, download third-party launcher, but the keyboard does look really nice, so that's a plus there. Now go ahead and swiping up here will bring you to your app drawer. Got your Google stuff there, Samsung stuff. Not much pre-installed, to be honest with you. It's pretty much stock. We'll go into settings here and look around. So you got your connections here, which you got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, data usage, airplane mode, location, and more connection settings there for nearby device scanning, printing, and VPN. You got mobile hotspot and tethering, sound and vibration, so typical stuff here as well. Ringtone, vibration pattern, not disturb, touch sounds, screen lock sounds, charging sounds, just stuff like that. You got sound quality and effects, so you do have Dolby Atmos here with the equalizer, so it's really nice to have. A 2 amp Pro here as well. Concert hall, you can change those around. Sounds really good, not really short. If you gotta have, sound effects aren't supported by some sound sources or USB audio, so there you go. But really nice added feature there as well. Go into display, you have brightness, you got outdoor mode, make the screen brighter for outdoor viewing. After 15 minutes, outdoor mode will be turned off unless you are still using the screen. You got font and screen zoom, you got screen mode for that to display. Cinema, photo, or basic, so got some nice features there. You got home screen here, so you got home screen layout. You have home and app screens or home screen only, so you can choose to have an app drawer or no app drawer at all. You can change your home screen grid, app screen grid, apps, buttons, app icon badges, stuff like that. Open, quick open notification panel. You do have easy mode icon frames. You got your status bar here, which you can show recent notifications and battery percentage, and you got vision here as well, so we'll take a quick look at that. And you have voice assistant, you have dark screen, voice assistant help, rapid key input. You can change your font and screen zoom, high contrast keyboard, show button shapes, magnifier, magnification, large mouse, touchpad, pointer, color inversion, and color correction. So we'll back out of here. Look, you got wallpapers and themes, so you have all your wallpapers. I'm not going to go ahead and start this up right here, but you can go in here to change your themes, apps, all that kind of nice stuff here in this device. Now you have advanced features here as well. You got games, so this right here, you have game launcher and game tools. One-handed mode, quick launch camera by pushing the home key twice. You have multi-window there as well, direct call, smart alert, easy mute, swipe to call or send messages. You got dual messages. You can use 2 separate accounts for the same app, send SOS messages, and direct share. Now on here in device maintenance, we do have your battery here. So we're going to the battery. You got battery usage, you got off, mid, and max for power saving mode. Storage, out of 16 gigs, you do have 6.5 U, so you got 9.5 gigabytes out of the box, so that's not too big. And also add an SD card, and this phone does have 2 gigabytes of RAM. Accessibility, so going to the accessibility for a little bit here. You got your vision here, which we have already mentioned. So you have text to speech, direction lock, direct access, accessibility shortcut on or off, answering and ending calls. You can go in here and press home key to answer calls, automatic answer after 2 seconds while a headset or Bluetooth is connected, and you can press the power key to end the calls. You also got single tap mode. Use a single tap instead of a swipe to respond to alarms, alerts, and incoming calls. So really nice stuff there. Now here at About Phone, we are running Android 8.0 Oreo with Samsung Experience version 9.0 out of the box. So of course, got your drop down here as well. You got your Wi-Fi, vibrate, Bluetooth, flashlight, which is really nice, mobile hotspot, secure folder. You got smart view, do not disturb, sync, mobile data, Dolby Atmos. You can edit those as well by pressing this button up here to button order or button grid. So really nice stuff there. Let's take a quick look here into the camera. So the camera, from what I've seen so far, don't look too bad. Up here is your front facing camera mode. This right here is like a full screen mode. Full screen turned on, off. You have your settings here, flash. You got stickers down here, so you can sit here and put a sticker on your photo if you would like to. So really nice stuff there, something a little bit different added on. You swipe this way here, you got auto mode, pro mode, panorama, continuous shot, HDR, night, sports, and sound and shot. Let's go here into the settings and look around. So we do have an 8 megapixel camera. You are able to record in full HD, 1:1 at 1072 by 1072, 720p, and VGA 480. Picture here is 5 megapixel camera. You got a timer. Front video is also full 1080 as well. Shoot methods here are tap screen, take a selfie, or show palm. So you can do all that stuff. You got grid lines, location tags, quick launch, floating camera button, stuff like that. So not a whole lot of stuff here in the settings department. Looking here at the front camera, take selfies easily there. So the front camera does look okay. Looks a little bit choppy on my end. But watch, just go ahead and see how the camera is, in a different video. So yeah, that is the Samsung Galaxy J3 Achieve, and a detailed walk around there and look here. So I will definitely be doing some camera tests and some speed test comparisons, and just comparing it overall with the J3 Emerge from last year to see if it's really even a upgrade, other than a few little things here and there. So if you found this unboxing helpful and informative and enjoyable, hit that like button. Any questions you may have, leave it below, and I'll get back with you as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I would really appreciate it. Hit that bell as well for notifications, and hopefully they'll be sent out. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.